Yeah, you brought the cooler, but how many muscles did it cost you to get it here? Good luck dragging that to the beach. We've got a cooler solution, literally.
Life is an endless adventure. With every journey, we're always chasing the balance of freedom and ease. The Chillbee Cooler Backpack, light yet tough. Takes you further. Wherever you go, it keeps your steps fresh. Through wild landscapes or city streets, it moves with you. Calm under the blazing sun. Delivering a cool sense of freedom. From dawn to dusk, it quietly supports, letting every moment be free and easy. Always providing comfort, always within reach.
Hello!
Chillbee Cooler Backpack, freedom to go further.
Follow us to join the community of innovators.